If it wasn't for the beans, they come out the can. I'm gonna piece the beef, the rice and the spam, the milk and bread being bought at the grocery store. I tell ya, I couldn't eat no more, 'cause let me tell ya, my wife, Lord, if I thought she could read, I would type her a book, but all she knows how to do is a fuss and holler. She don't even know how to boil water. Let me tell you what we had last night on a dinner table: a canned green bean, cold spinach and tomato, the nasty stuff I say you ever wanna see. And she was trying to feed it to me. Let me tell you, I think that woman just a downright late, 'cause I hear the sister come with cold cuts and gravy, a cold cuts and gravy in a one big bowl. I thought I'd choke, but I got through, and she said, what you say? But I guess I'm gonna eat the slop any old way, so don't you get me wrong. I love that girl. I guess I'm about the craziest old man in the world, but I got to love her 'cause I got no friends. Oh, here she come with red beans and onions again, and she say, what you say? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more time, come on. Early in the morning. Cook them big, cook them clean, put them in the pot and let them steam, come on. What you say? Come to the doctor, you wonder why I just ate them beans and I'm about to die, come on. Hey, baby. Oh, just a little bit louder, come on.